Hi and welcome to Lesson 4, where I'll cover installing WordPress and choosing your theme. Because by now you already have a hosting account, you don't need to download and install WordPress. Good hosts will make it super simple to install WordPress right from your hosting dashboard. Every web host looks a little different, but usually if it's a brand new website, they'll guide you through every single step. Make sure you save your admin username and password somewhere because you'll need this later on. Before we move on to customizing your WordPress website, I want to cover a few more things you'll need to set up your web hosting, domain, and email. If you've registered a brand new domain, first you need to verify your ownership by adding TXT records that are available in your hosting account and copying them into your domain registrar. To point your domain, you'll need to do the same thing by adding A records. Follow the prompts in your hosting and domain dashboards to copy the correct information. To connect your email hosting to your domain and to the place where you've chosen to host your emails, you'll have to add MX records. If you've opted for a host that offers domain registration and email, follow the prompts in your dashboard to set those both up. Make sure that through your hosting dashboard, you've set up a secured connection to your website, either through a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate or by forcing HTTPS on all domains. Now that WordPress is installed, let's take a quick tour. To access the login page of your website, you can click on Open WordPress Admin from your hosting account or visit your domain/WP login. Use the credentials that you had when you set up your WordPress website earlier in this video. In your dashboard, you'll find shortcuts to some of the things you'll need to set up your website, including writing your first blog post, creating a page, and setting up your homepage. On the left, you'll find updates on your website, where you can manage the version of WordPress that you have and any theme and plugin updates. And below that, you can manage your content like blog posts, media images, and pages. Under Appearance is where you can customize your site and the look. And Plugins is where you can add functionality. Users is where you can invite people to join you on your website. And Tools allows even more functionality to manage your content. Settings also allows you to set global settings across your entire website. Up in the top corner, you can manage your user profile, including how your website dashboard looks. When installing WordPress, it comes with the default theme of the year, but you'll probably want to change things up based on how you want your site to look. Here's a quick lowdown on WordPress themes. There are free themes available online or through the official WordPress theme repository. These are vetted themes that have been checked for coding standards and that I personally recommend as well. To access themes, go to Appearance and Themes. This is the default theme of the year, 2021. You can take a look at how it looks and play around with some of the features on the left to see if you like this theme. If you want to change it, click on Change. And to view the themes in the WordPress.org theme repository, click here. You can search and filter themes by design style, by industry, by layout features, or type in keywords to see what pops up. They're usually quite simple though, so not everyone finds exactly what they need among the choices. Anyone can design and sell themes online, so you can also go the route of buying and downloading a theme from a theme marketplace and uploading it to your website. Make sure you do read reviews though and see examples of the theme in action, since not all themes have the same quality of code. To upload a theme that you've downloaded from a marketplace, go to Appearance and Themes and click on Upload Theme at the very top. The third avenue to consider when picking your theme is to install a page builder plugin. These plugins are usually paid plugins that enhance your theme and add additional features, flexibility, and design options to your website. These are very cool, and I actually use one called Elementor on my travel blog. Other popular ones include Beaver Builder, Divi, and Visual Composer. But if this is your first website, I recommend holding off on website builders since these can make your website a little more expensive and more complicated. WordPress has plenty of great features right out of the box that are worth exploring before you decide to add another set of tools. For now, I'm going to select a portfolio theme from the WordPress themes. Almost any theme can be made into a really beautiful portfolio, but some are specifically designed with that in mind. Once I've found one I like, I can demo it on my site by clicking on Live Preview. Now, because I don't have any pages or blog posts yet, it might not look that great, but don't worry. Once we add content, it'll be a lot easier to make the blog look like the demo site. At this point, if you've purchased a domain, installed WordPress, and connected your domain, your website is live and fully accessible online. This means anyone who types in your URL will see your website. Is this a problem? Unless you've already started sharing your domain name, it's unlikely many people will look up your site and check it as you add content and build it up. For most people, building their site live over the course of a few days is fine. You'll want to make sure your website settings are set to discourage search engines from indexing your site. If you want to create a coming soon page that allows you to show a splash page to visitors while you build your site on the down low, you can install a coming soon page plugin to do that. You'll learn how to install plugins in Lesson 6. Thanks for watching and see you in Lesson 5.